What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got something good. We're taking the pit bike. We're going to In-N-Out. We're gonna ride the pit bike through the drive-thru. Well, Kyson is. I'm on video duty today, so I'm gonna video it all. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna go check on him, get Lloyd, get him on the bike, and follow him into town. So let's get to it. And a little update on Kyson's bike. The frame is still snapped. We tried to get it fixed and welded, but it didn't work, so it's still there. He had to order a whole new frame. We should have that in the next couple weeks. He's gonna get it all powder coated, and then that bike will be done. For now, he's on just a stocker. He sent all the jumps on the stock bike, just put the wheels, the seat, and the bars on it. So it's been smooth. I run out of gas midway through the drive-thru.
Especially on Caden's bike.
Yeah, especially on my bike, because then you're probably just gonna leave it and run off. Let's see if Kyson's. Yeah, there's not a drop in this one either.
Of course. He doesn't fill his bike up.
Kyson doesn't do any bike work.
He says he does, but he doesn't.
Nope, he's just washed up. Look at him, he's finally here. Look at him.
You guys hungry?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, let's go there. Are you filling up my bike?
Yeah, we're kind of getting all the prep on the new bike.
Pretty stuck in between work and play foods.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah, let's go already. Come on. Come on, man.
What's the go-to order for you guys? What are you gonna get?
Hamburger spread on it.
Okay. Rudy?
Strawberry shake, #1.
Perfect. Where are you gonna fit it? Oh, you got the backpack good. Do you guys really think you're actually gonna make it there without any trouble? It's kind of a far drive.
Yeah. It's nothing we haven't done.
Alright, they're gonna get right into it.
Yeah, if you're following the one time.
Hey, I'm gonna follow you, so if anything happens,
It's only like 75.
don't run.
Ready?
What?
The ticket's only like $75.
Yeah, no, I need to pay mine still.
I want my bag back. Hot. Alright, best of luck, boys. I'll be right behind you. Maybe throw in some wheelies or something. Oh, he's still going. Look at this dude. And surprisingly, there hasn't been any problems, so that's good news. We got like another mile, but hopefully we make it there good. The boys are on it. Look at them.
got girls on the line.
If they can drive
Right now.
side by
Right.
sides down the road, I think we're good.
Roll up, roll forward. Don't rear end the truck.
This this thing on?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Can I get a large water?
Okay.
A number 3. Hey Rudy, what do you want?
I want a chocolate shake. That's about
Eating this in the car?
Yeah, we're not gonna be eating this in the car. We don't have a car. We're carless.
Alrighty. That'll be 792 at that first window, please.
Okay, thank you. Here, let's pop it up. Finally we are in shade. Holy.
Chocolate shake, 2 sizes spread, and a large water.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
All right, your total will be $7.92, please.
Rudy. Oh, that AC feels good, huh?
Oh, would you like a large drink area?
Oh, sure. Yeah, why not? Dude, turn around. It's so hard on that. You gotta deliver that, man. To the house. Done, boys. You secured the bag.
Yep, he's gonna eat it.
4 wheels.
Yeah, that looked rough. That was long. It was hot. But hey, I couldn't believe you guys didn't get in any trouble. Everyone minded their own business and kept on. So nice work.
Street legal.
Yeah, pitters are street legal, I guess now.
Throw some, street tires on.
Fire.
Throw some motos in.
Bada boom, bada bang, there it is. The pit bike's got that secured. Solid. Also want to thank you guys so much for all the support on the new merch. Links still in description, still got stuff available. We cleaned the garage today, found all these like random plastics, number plates, so we'll be throwing those in orders. Just leave a comment under your order on the website and we'll be sure to throw in something, so don't miss out for the weekend because we are back to racing next weekend. So we will see you guys next time and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. Say bye, Rudy.
See you later.